Hey, I'm Dionysios from mycompanyname.com. I have already logged in to my Gmail account. I will use the Gmail advanced search, this arrow that you see on the top. This is the advanced search for Gmail. And I will search for all emails from a sender with the domain Quora.com. Now I can see all the emails from Quora.com and I will select all of them. In the beginning only 50 are selected, but I choose select all conversations that match the search and I will be able to select all of them. Now on the top left I will click delete and all this email will go to the trash folder. Here on the left I will find that folder and I will empty the trash. Of course after 30 days they will automatically delete it, but I will do it now. I'll empty the trash. Now these emails are deleted for forever, and I will show you an additional trick. I can choose in the same time all the emails that are unread and are received in certain date, for example from 1st January of 22 until 1st January of 2021, and from a certain inbox like the promotion inbox. You can do that with less and or with even more than that. Now I can do the same here and select all the conversations and delete them. Of course, I can do so many different things with that trick. I can only select the unread emails and delete them. And here is how it works. Bye.